At Direct Care Training and Resource Center Incorporated, we know starting and growing in long-term care can be overwhelming. That's why we've created something powerful just for you. Over 150 DIY manuals, now available at www.getmydiymanual.com. Whether you're just beginning your journey or already operating and looking to scale, we have you covered. In fact, there's even a dedicated scaling manual designed to help seasoned entrepreneurs expand with confidence. Looking for something specific? You'll find specialized manuals for adult daycare, home care, and residential care models like group homes, each one concise, practical, and tailored to your needs. And here's the bonus. Every purchaser gets a free Monday phone call for 2 weeks with a seasoned care entrepreneur to answer your specific questions. Why risk your money and time on events or people who may not give you what you need and end up disappointed, when the guidance you're looking for may be right here, in one publication, for less than $100. Each includes interviews with pros who have done it successfully. It's time to stop waiting, get excited, and get started today with this meaningful resource at www.getmydiymanual.com.